Okay, continuing with place value, we could look at a different example. Say we have the number 777.7. Remember from last time that each of these numbers has its own place value. So of course the first 7 here, that's our hundreds. The next one is tens, ones. These are tenths. So we're getting into fractions and decimals. All right, now there's this very important concept of each number to the left of the number next to it. So for example, this 7 here compared to the one next to it, well, the one on the left, I could actually change the color. So the one in green here is actually 10 times bigger. It represents a number 10 times bigger than the one in blue next to it. And the reason for that is because the green 7, this one right here, represents 700, right? We saw last time that we could do 7 times 100 and we'll get 700. All right, and then for the one in blue, this guy here, that represents 7 times 10, right? It's in the tens column. The place value represents 10 there. So to get its amount, we could do 7 times 10, which is just 70. So if we compare these two numbers now, it becomes more clear that the one on the left, the one in the hundreds column, is 700. The one in the tens column is 70. Well, 700 is 10 times bigger than 70. All right, and I think that this is hopefully clear, but you could even do it to the one here, or the one in the ones column. This 7 here that I'll put in red, that's 7 times 1, which is just 7. Okay, so if you compare the numbers 700 to 70 to 7, well, 7 is, in order to get to 70, you have to multiply it by 10. And then to go from 70 to 700, you multiply it by 10 again. If you multiply 700 by 10, we didn't talk about this number, but that would be 7,000. Okay, so the point is, if you have a number like 777.7, each number is 10 times bigger than the number to the right of it. Right, that's the whole idea of place value, is we have this system of numbers based on tens, and as we go to the left or to the right, we get either 10 times bigger, or if we go to the right, we get 10 times smaller.